The O Cannabis Conference and Expo returns to Toronto June 1st through the 3rd, and there's still some good booth locations available. This exciting event is free for cannabis retailers and will feature Tommy Chong receiving a Lifetime Achievement Award at the O Cannabis Industry Awards. For more information about exhibiting or to register to attend, go to ocannabis.com. That's OCANNABIZ.com.
Welcome back to The Talking Hedge. I'm Josh Kincaid, capital markets analyst and host of your Cannabis Business Podcast. We're going to be adding some more just quick clips on here, like this Viridian deal tracker talking about cannabis debt financing is booming across the U.S. So Viridian Capital Advisors goes on to say that unlike the equity capital raises, which are slightly lower in 2020, debt raises increased from $423 million to $563 million, and then again in $940 million from 2018, 19, and 20 respectively. So like mergers and acquisitions, debt has been moving eastward. California and Colorado, Oregon and Washington jointly made up 34.5% of 2018's debt, but only 5.5% of 2020's debt. Illinois, Massachusetts, and New York accounted for 93% of 2020's debt issuance. The average size of issues is going up from 10 million in 2018 to 13.7 million in 2019 to 55.3 million in 2020. So the market's been focused on large players like Curaleaf and Leaflink. Cresco, they jointly made up 77% of 2020's debt issuance. And aside from those three names, the average issuers dropped approximately 16.5 million on average issuance. So Viridian expects to see an increase in debt issuance as the larger MSOs build out the new rec states, employing the borrowing power of their burgeoning cash flow. For anything else, come back to the Talking Hedge. With that, we're going to roll this one up. I'm Josh Kincaid. This is The Talking Hedge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, or don't, and I'm out.
Hello, hemp friends. This is your host, Morris, from Volume Up, the Let's Talk Hemp podcast, where we explore and discuss all things hemp all the time. From industrial to nutritional to therapeutic to lifestyle, hemp has a place and a home pretty much everywhere. Download episodes now of the Let's Talk Hemp podcast wherever you listen to podcasts. Come get loud with me on Volume Up as we take industrial hemp to a whole new level in 2022 and beyond.